Guess where we're at? Mom, where are we?
Kitchen Ranch.
Kitchen Ranch Casino. We are taking my parentals over here to Kitchen Ranch Casino so that we can eat some food and use our free play.
Is that Kitchen Ranch?
No,
or
it's
Ranch?
Chicken Ranch, but we could call it Kitchen Ranch because everybody gets cooked here. Gets cooked because they're not winning. People have donated a lot of money for this place.
I think they already paid it off.
No, they probably still have a loan.
Can they now start loosening up a little bit?
The chickens here are not loose at all. I can tell you that. All the times I've been here. It's big because people have donated.
Their hotels are beautiful. Their hotel rooms are beautiful.
All right, let's go to the Kitchen Ranch Casino and get some food.
Balcony.
Yes, it's nice out there. All right.
Nice.
And this parking lot is a shit show.
Careful.
This parking lot sucks. Here we go. They all say it. Here we go.
Ooh, somebody just walked.
Kitchen Ranch. Oh, push. How do you know what weed smells like, Dad?
Okay, let's go to the kitchen.
Kitchen Ranch. We are going to hit.
Kitchen Ranch.
This is the Kitchen Ranch. All right, let's go sit down. My parents and the Kitchen Ranch Casino. Screen tappers. So you could take this way over to the elevators to the hotel, but they have the hallway of chickens here. So that's the Emperor, and that's the Emperor. This one. See, this one has two of them. He's a little pimp. This one playing the guitar. Okay, 1, 2.
Wait, I got the chicken. Okay.
Okay.
Lửa lên cao một tí. Ok.
We are going to 12 dozen eggs. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, here we go. Food. Everybody, I got $75 free play at Chicken Ranch. We're gonna go use this in the high limit room. Here we go. High limit room. $10 bets with my $75. It is active free play. Here we go. $75 free play. Activate. Alright guys, I don't know if you got any of that, but I just won $95 from my free play. I wasn't recording that whole time.
That's too bad.
Yeah, okay, well,
Alright, can I
okay, she's gonna do her $25 active free play down there. $1?
Yep.
Okay, $5 bets. Here we go, here's one. Ooh. Ooh.
3,
Here it is, three more, ooh, two more. Okay,
4,
and 5.
Ah.
Oh, We're good with that, right? So we used our free play and won $100 together combined. That's a win because we put in 100 to get 100. Good job. She has to take. My mom wants to take pictures with the chicken. That one's a cowboy. No. Cowboy. All right. Well, Chicken Ranch Casino. We came. We ate. We used our free play. And we cashed out 100. And we're leaving. My mom loves the chickens here. Like these ones here. Alright, Chicken Ranch. We'll see you later.